Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm doing a wounded eye today. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already so you know when new things are coming out. Right now I'm putting down a protection layer of toilet paper and band-aids to protect my eye. Now I'm taking some liquid latex I bought from Walmart and using a makeup sponge and applying a base layer of liquid latex. Now I'm ripping up toilet paper and using the liquid latex as a glue to keep it on the eye. And it's patching everything up to make sure it's sticking to the skin around the band-aids. Now I'm filling in the tiny spots, making sure there's no band-aid showing. Now I'm covering all of that toilet paper with liquid latex to seal it all in. Adding a few extra pieces of toilet paper where I feel like it's needed. Adding another layer of liquid latex and crimpling up the little pieces I just put on to give it a textured feel. And now I'm drying it off for a little bit. Taking my putty knife and adding some notches and scratches so it has a little bit more texture to it. And now I'm going in with some e.l.f. liquid foundation and covering up the whole eye so it matches my skin tone. I just want you guys to know that it does not matter what brand you use, just whatever makes you comfortable. So now I'm blending it out to my face, making sure that matches, going in with some LA Colors powder foundation to set it. A little bit of scar wax in the spots where I didn't like how it set. Now I'm going in with NYX Butter Lipstick with a brush that has these kind of like boar bristles so it gives it more textured look, and I'm just covering the whole eye with that as a base coat. Going in with the NYX palette with a dark purple, give it a little bit more of a bruised-ish-esque look. I'm going in with some LA Colors liquid liner and just spreading that around a little bit as another base coat. Then the NYX palette again with some red over that black liquid liner. Now putting the LA Colors lipstick on top of that. It's different than the butter lipstick. I use the butter only as a base coat. Usually this one's my topper. And now here's the fake blood. So there's my base coat of blood. Now I add some liquid liner to it, just a dab, so it gets a little darker, looks a little more realistic. Take some more little pieces of toilet paper and cover those in the fake blood that has that dab of liquid liner in it. Going back in NYX and taking purple, and then I take red, and then I put some blood on top of it and keep blending with my finger. Same thing underneath the wound. And a little bit on my forehead. Then I put in a contact from TTD Eye in the shade Werewolf Orange, link will be below. Going in with normal blood and adding some drip marks, and then I'm going to do my little concoction of liquid liner and fake blood and dripping that on top of it to make it look a little more realistic. And here's the end result, so like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.